What's up everybody? We got some mail today. Next project is a MotoVlog helmet. I'll be right back. Okay, so like I was saying is I want to get another a helmet set up with a GoPro on it. And I didn't have the needed accessories to mount it up, nor did I have a mic to put in the what I was saying is I don't have the mic to, guys keep moving. You want to watch the phone? Anyway, so got a RAM mount so I can hold my phone. Super necessary. Microphone. Aha! So we got the GoPro stickies. We got and we got the 90-degree piece. Life has gotten crazy. A couple days later, different shirt, no hat, same helmet, Rockstar. Let's finish.
Past that. When? Just now. We're at now. Go back to then. When? Now. Now? Now. I can't. Why? We missed it. When? Just.
So here's the finished product. So I went out for a test ride, just checked the angle of it and the microphone. Dude, the microphone is
nice.
So good. What do you think?
This
And
is
the
yours. Do
viewing
you want it
angle
back?
looks on this.
Is it mine?
It was.
I don't think I have a phone for that.
Same fucking wind noise.
We're gonna run to Home Depot and get fuel in our motorcycles. Oh, by the way, motorcycles. I totally meant scooters. So, gotta run to Home Depot. Gotta get gas in the ruckus because my father-in-law drove it last and it has a fuel light on and he didn't tell me.
Big move.
And here's the RAM mount that you were just talking about. Justin, this is all on you, bro.
I have text proof that says I can ride it. So where are we going, Home Depot?
I gotta get gas first.
Where do you want to get gas?
Well, like ride to Space Age or something. I got my wallet. You got your wallet? And here we go. Fuel light. Brights. How do you feel so far? Love it?
Yeah, it's actually pretty fun.
What the ruckus doesn't have in speed, it makes up in pure fun. Full tuck. 35. 36. 37. 36. Get some drafting action here. Ooh, 38. Ooh, 39. Can we get 40? Ah, too windy. Hopefully we don't run out of gas. With the ruckus, it's not even about the speed. I mean, yeah, we're on a main road and yeah, I wish I was going a little faster in this, but when you're not on the main road, it's hard to beat how fun this thing is. I mean, listen to that cute little horn. Let's let these people go by. Hi, ma'am. Look at these guys. Just a cluster of an intersection right there. Ooh, look at that. We got green, white. You can't even see that. Green, purple. I'm sure the purple is pretty easy to pick up on the screen. Or even the, let's try the turquoise. Yoo-hoo! Take them on the inside. Yeah, right here. Whew. Dive into the corner. Vroom. All right, where's the 92 clean? There it is. Appreciate it. A whole 1.2 gallons.
I know I'm working Sundays.
Ugh.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you, sir. If I had, let's go that way. If I had the Honda Grom and you had that, you know how good it would be? Oh. Look at that guy stare at you.
I get a lot of looks on this thing. They're like, what the fuck is that?
Watch this. Let him fly by. Whoop. Oh. All right, so we got this baby filled up. So these little ruckuses get somewhere between 90 and 130 miles per gallon, depending on how you ride it. So mine probably gets like 70. So we should be good for a bit. The Ruckus really is a great bike though. If you're worried about speed though, it's probably not the right bike. But if you're looking just for pure fun, enjoyment, with a smile on your face the entire time you're riding it, this is definitely the bike. There's just something about riding a bike to its absolute limits that's fun. Now if I was riding my old CBR 600 Super Sport, you're basically just kind of poking along through town, not really getting the full experience of the bike. And while you may look cool riding your Super Sport around town, it's just not really meant for that. So it's one of the main reasons why I got rid of it. Seems like when you own a Super Sport, you kind of want to run a bike to its potential. So not being able to do that in town, you kind of gravitate towards freeways so you can open them up a bit. And then every time you ride your motorcycle, you just find yourself kind of going in a straight line up and down the freeway because it's the only place you can actually get out of it what it's meant to do. So that's why I got rid of it. This whole time I've been trying to figure out where my phone's out in my pocket, and it's right there in front of me the whole damn time. Right there. The Home Depot. Looks like everybody's going to the Home Depot today. Everybody's got house projects. So much fun. You can catch up. I got a slow bike. Let's see how far I can get away from him before he catches up. Let's see, what's gonna be the fastest way here? Old Salem. There he is. Come on, go, baby, go! Time it right, get through this intersection. He has to wait at a red light. That would help me beat him. Maybe I can turn his bike off again. Maybe that will give me the advantage. It's a race. It's a race. I'll protect my Switch.
I know, I haven't.
Truths. Truths. Alright. You fucking fuck. Like, man, trying to think of the different advantages I could get to beat you home. Wonder if he goes straight, if I have a chance of beating him if I turn down Alexander. How can I do it? How can I beat him? Okay, let's see if I can do it. Let's get it done. Come on, baby. The disadvantage is his bike can do about 60 miles an hour where this one can only do about 40 reliably. So even though I'm taking a shortcut, he's gonna know what I'm trying to do. So he's gonna kick it in the ass and he's gonna be able to make up a lot more ground than I can make up. So we'll see when we come out the other end. And if he's as much of a smart ass as I am, he should theoretically haul ass down that road, turn and come at me just to let me know how much slower my bike is. So we got a little bit of time. Let's see if he just goes straight to the house or if he wants to make a point and ride at me just to let me know how much slower my bike is. I called it! I called it! I knew it! Well, that's probably why we're friends. The whole family is out.